Migratory birds. Migratory birds are species that travel between two different locations on a regular seasonal basis in order to find better food resources, avoid harsh climates, and successful breed. The position of the sun and the earth's magnetic field are frequently used to guide these trips, which can be hundreds or thousands of miles long. Migratory birds have the perfect morphology and physiology to fly quickly and over long distances. The Arctic tern has the longest bird migration, flying up to 56,000 miles per year. From its Arctic breeding grounds to Antarctic wintering grounds and back. Creating bird friendly cities and communities is the theme for Migratory Bird Day in 2025. World Migratory Bird Day is observed to raise awareness about the conservation needs of migratory birds and their habitats, highlighting the threats they face such as habitat loss, pollution, and climate change. World Migratory Bird Day will be observed on May 10th and October 11th in 2025. The calliope hummingbird, which weighs about a tenth of an ounce and is about 3 inches in length, is the smallest migratory bird in the world. The image shows calliope hummingbird. The bar-tailed godwit has the record for the longest non-stop bird migration, with one tracked individual flying over 13,500 kilometers from Alaska to Tasmania in 11 days without rest or food. World Migratory Bird Day was officially launched in 2006 by the Secretariats of CMS and AEWA. Thanks for watching.